A blank screen on your American Standard AC display means the control panel isn't showing any information. This indicates the thermostat has stopped displaying temperature readings, system status, or menu options. This is a common problem that can stem from several causes. We'll explore these causes and the fixes available. The main causes include power problems, such as loose wiring or transformer failures that interrupt the display's power supply. Hardware failure, like faulty capacitors or damaged circuit boards, which are common in older units. Software glitches, especially in smart thermostats where firmware bugs can cause crashes. And environmental factors like humidity or extreme temperatures that accelerate component degradation. Before trying more complex solutions, start with a simple power cycle. Turn off your AC unit at the circuit breaker for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This can resolve temporary power interruptions that cause the blank screen. If the display is still blank after the power cycle, locate the reset button on your thermostat. Hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. This soft reset often clears temporary software glitches that cause the blank screen. These initial troubleshooting steps are highly effective. In 2025, Train reported that soft resets and over-the-air updates resolved blank screen issues in 60 to 70% of cases. Hardware failures are common in older American Standard units, particularly those manufactured before 2020. Faulty capacitors on the circuit board are a frequent cause of blank screens. Capacitors can degrade over time due to age, heat, and humidity. This degradation can cause them to fail and interrupt the display's power supply. Visually inspect the circuit board for signs of damage, such as corrosion or bulging capacitors. These are clear indicators of hardware failure caused by environmental factors like humidity. Another common hardware failure is a failing backlight. When the backlight fails, the display may appear blank or very dim, even though the unit is powered on. In older circuit boards, capacitors may show significant corrosion and damage over time. This type of degradation is common in units exposed to heat and humidity. For persistent hardware failures, replacement displays are available through authorized American Standard dealers. These replacements are covered by warranties for up to 5 years on newer models. For smart thermostats like the XT series or Train Connect models, software glitches can cause blank screens. These advanced devices rely on firmware to control display functions. To resolve this, check for available firmware updates through the MyTrain mobile app. These updates contain important fixes for display-related bugs. Network disruptions can also trigger blank screens when the thermostat enters a safe mode to protect itself from connectivity issues. If your thermostat connects to Wi-Fi, verify your network is stable and functioning properly to prevent these issues. Extreme temperatures and high humidity can accelerate the degradation of electronic components, especially capacitors. If you live in a humid climate, annual inspections are crucial. Case studies show that humidity-induced capacitor failures account for 40% of reported issues in coastal regions. Consider using a dehumidifier near your AC unit to minimize moisture exposure. HVAC experts strongly recommend preventative maintenance as the best way to prevent blank screen issues on American Standard AC systems. This proactive approach can save time and money while keeping your system running smoothly. Start by regularly inspecting your AC unit and thermostat for any signs of wear and tear, such as loose connections or unusual noises. Catching small issues early prevents them from escalating into major problems like display failures. Following a preventative maintenance schedule, like this one shown here, can prevent up to 95% of all AC failures. It includes tasks like cleaning filters and checking components monthly, seasonally, and annually, helping save on energy costs and avoid expensive repairs. Consider scheduling professional servicing every 2 to 3 years. This should include thorough checks of critical components like capacitors, which are common causes of display problems, especially in humid environments. Use an inspection checklist like this one to ensure all components are properly examined during servicing. This document from maintenance professionals outlines what to check, including reactors, capacitors, and safety precautions. Modern systems like Train's ComfortLink 2 incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that can predict potential failures before they occur. This advanced technology analyzes system data to alert you to issues, potentially reducing blank screen incidents by as much as 70%. Take advantage of smart thermostat features and the accompanying app for real time diagnostics and alerts. This image shows a Train's smart thermostat, which allows you to monitor your system remotely and receive notifications about potential problems before they affect the display. Prioritize using the app for diagnostics and alerts as your primary tool for monitoring system health. This approach empowers you to address issues proactively, maintaining optimal performance and minimizing downtime from blank screen problems. The HVAC industry is trending towards app-centric interfaces, reducing reliance on physical displays. This shift allows users to control AC units through mobile apps, making physical displays less necessary. By 2030, it's predicted that 90% of AC units will be fully app-controlled, virtually eliminating blank screen issues. Train is also working on self-healing firmware that auto-resets upon detecting display faults. While cybersecurity threats remain a concern for these connected systems, advancements in display technology promise more durable and reliable screens in the future.